Hello friends, I am Professor Shivaji Varki. From last session of ABM 357, we have started with first step of strategic management process. Up to now, we have covered vision of organizations, mission of organizations. This visions and missions which lies or which is decided by this top level management. Okay, then middle level we have business definition and business model, which is defined by this middle level management. And at the bottom of these pyramids we have goal and objective, which is decided by ground level management. Okay, now up to now we have discussed about these visions and missions also. In today's session we are going to discuss about business definition, business model, goal and objectives. So let's begin with business definitions. Business definitions, it seeks to explain the business undertaken by the firms with respect to the customer need, target audience and alternative technologies. So this business definitions which tells about what your customers wants, who is your customers, and how you are going to satisfy that needs and wants of the customers by using different alternative technologies. Okay, then with the help of the business definitions, one can assert or one can find the strategic business choice within any business, okay, or any organizations. Then it poses the questions like, what is your business, means what kind of business you are going to offer to your final consumers, or what kind of different products or services you are going to offer your customers. Then what will be it in future or in coming time, what will be your business. And then it tells about the customers needs, that describe what is to be being satisfied by your business. Then customer groups, who is your customers groups, means who is your target audience that you are going to target for your product. Then last one, alternative technology, that is how you are going to satisfy their needs by using this different alternative technologies. So it poses generally three kind of WH questions like what, who and how. What your customers want, then who is your customers, and how you are going to satisfy their needs and wants. Okay, so this is about the business definitions. Then next one, business model. Business model is an often expressed in the form of the questions, how does organizations make money from continuing any business, means how your any organizations is going to acquire or going to obtain money or revenue from your business. That is a business model. The business model can be used to help analyze and communicate these strategic choices. So this business model gives the analysis and communicate the different strategic choices within any organizations. Okay, so it helps to analyze or finding which one is the better strategic choice or which one is the better choice, and community means passing that good strategy within an organizations. Then business model also down to the earth prescription to the implementation of strategies. So this business model also helps to the gives the prescription to the implementation of strategy, or gives the way for how to implement any strategy in organizations. Then next one at the bottom of pyramid, or at the which are decided by the ground level management. First one, goals. Goals is an end results that organization attempt to achieve in long term. Okay, it is an long end results, okay, which organization want to achieve. The goal denote what organizations hopes to accomplish in a futures. They represent in a future state or outcomes of effort put in nouns. Okay, so goal denotes the what organizations of or what organization wishes to achieve in futures, means what organization actually want to achieve in futures. Then these goals represent the future state outcomes of efforts put in now. If you change anything now in today's situations, how that changes will going to affect to your tomorrow or to your futures. Then a broad category of financial and non-financial issues are addressed by goals that are firm sets. So in these goals, that goals might be in terms of finances, means increasing the profits, and that can be also non-financial issues also, maybe your goals. Okay, then objectives. Next one. Now we have decided about goals. Now next one, objectives. Objectives are the that states specifically how goals shall be achieved, or it tells the how you are going to achieve your end results. Okay, then they connect, sorry, they concrete and specific. In contrast to the goals are the generalized. These objectives are more generalized, means these are the more generalized. Okay, then objective makes goals operationals. This objective gives the operational to this goals, means it create that goals into actual functionals. Okay, then objective refers to the ultimate end results which are to be accomplished by overall plan over the specific period of times. So it having time bound of limits, but goal doesn't have any time bound of limits. Suppose, for example, here I am putting the one example for goals and objectives. Company wants to increase its profit. Okay, this we can say it is an is goal. Now objective, company wants to increase its profit by 20% in next years. That is an is objectives. Okay, now next one, need or role of for establishing of objective. Why any companies should be have these objectives? Objectives define the organization relations with an environments. So it gives the relations between the environment or between the business environments. Okay, so which ultimately helps to achieve their customers achieve their goals, or sorry, satisfy their customers needs and in society also. Okay, then objectives helps an organizations to pursue its vision and missions. Okay, this objective also helps to pursuing or achieving these visions and missions which are decided by top level management or corporate levels. Okay, then objectives provide the basis for strategic decision makings. So it provide the basis, or it provide the strategic decision makings to the companies. Then they provide standard for performance appraisals, means performance appraisal of many employees. Okay, it is means based on that that person should supposed to be get promoted or demoted. Likewise, this is taken on with this performance appraisals. Okay, actually it is an result of any employees. Okay, then these are the certain characteristics of objectives. While deciding the objective of your company, you are supposed to be take care of these things. This objective supposed to be understandable to everyone's. Okay, then it should be concrete and specific. It should be specific. Okay, then that's it can define the specific objective or specific motive of your company. So, okay, then it should related to time frame. It should have some time bound and time horizon on your objectives. Then it should be measurable and controllable. Measurable for looking after is there is how it is and workings. For that purpose it should be measurables and controllables. Okay, then it should be the challenging, so kind employee will get motivated for work. Okay, then it should be correlated to each others, means between the this objective supposed to be correlated to the each aspect of business, means objective of marketing department, objective of operation department, objective of finance department, objective of HR department supposed to be correlated to each others. Okay, then this objective supposed to be set within the constraint or within the limits of a companies. Okay, means within the resources company which have it. Okay, then now we are going to try to understand the difference between goal versus objectives. First one, goal is are broad, okay, while objectives are specific and concrete. Okay, this can be the broad, but this is an specific. Okay, while goal may be qualitatives, but objective mainly quantitatives. These goals are qualitatives and the objectives are quantitatives. The goals are set for the relatively longer period of time. This is for longer period of times. Objective are series of smaller steps often along the way to achieve long term ways. It is an small steps which helps to achieve the final results. Okay, then goals are more influenced by external environments. These goals are influenced by external environments, means between opportunities and threats, but these objectives are less influenced by these opportunities and threats. Okay, typically involves in goals typically involves the changing outcomes like buying a homes, making a major changes. Okay, it can be your goals, but usually objective is an near term target, larger expected outcomes. Okay, it is an for short terms. Okay, buying a home or making a major changes. Okay, that can be your goals because it required more times. Okay, but while objective, it is an short term times or short term targets. Okay, then this is about the difference between goals and objectives. Now overall, the visions, missions, business definitions and business models explain the philosophy of business, but the goals and objectives are established with the purpose of achieving them. So these visions, missions and business definitions and business models explain the philosophy of your business, means what is your actual means ideology behind your business, but these goals and objectives are established for achieving your this ideology or this missions, visions and business definitions. Okay, because these are the decided by the lower levels, they are only focusing on day to day activities. Okay, then strategic intent is an extremely important for the future's growth and success of enterprises irrespective to its size and nature. So it is an very important for growth of your business. Okay, depending on means whatever may be the size of your business. Then this is about the establishing strategic intent. So up to now we have learned about what is establishing strategic intent. Strategic intent is an deciding or defining the intention of your organizations or defining what your organization is stand for. It contains 5 aspects. First one, visions. It is an your core of your business. Okay, it is an long term motto of your business. We can say this one is an V. In outer layers core we have missions. This is an short term purpose which tells why your business is existing. Okay, these both tools are decided by higher level authority, that is at corporate levels. Okay, then again in outer layer we have business definitions which tells what is your business or which tells who is your customers, what your customers want and how you are going to satisfy their needs. Then again in outer layer we have business models. It tells about how you are going to earn business by working on your business definitions. Okay, then again outer layer we have goals. Okay, which tells end result of your organizations, which is for mainly long terms and which is decided at ground level management committees. Okay, and at the most extreme outer level we have objectives. Okay, this tells about the day-to-day workings or end result, means how you are going to achieve these goals. Okay, so these are depend on each others. Okay, so this is about the establishing strategic intent. So this is about these topics. I hope you understand. If you not understand, please ask me. Thank you.